This is our 4-color pad printer. It can print in 1 color, 2 color, 3 color, 4 color, and you have to make logo stencil here and put ink here. And here you have to make fixture mold, fixture your products. It can print in curved surface or flat surface like this. Okay, printing. After printing the logo to its high precision logo, you can see. Okay. After printing the logo, you can see with high quality. And here you have to make logo stencil on steel plate. This is our 4-color pad printer. It can print in 1 color, 2 color, 3 color, 4 color. Here you have to make logo stencil here and put in here. About the material, it can print in stainless steel and glass, ceramic, and about the shape, it can print in flat surface and curved surface like the cylinder shape. Okay, printing. After printing the logo to the stainless steel bottle, you can see this is our 4-color pad printer. It can print in glass, aluminum, and ceramic, plastic. It also can printing on curved surface or flat surface. Okay, printing. After printing the logo to the glass bottle, it is a curved surface. This is our 4-color pad printer. It can print in 1 color, 2 color, 3 color, 4 color. You have to make logo stencil here and put ink here. Here you have to make a fixture mold, fixture your products. It can printing about the material. It can printing aluminum and stainless steel, glass, ceramic, and plastic. About printing shape, it can printing curved surface like this cylinder shape on bottle or flat surface. You can see. Okay, printing. After printing the logo to the aluminum bottle, you can see it with high precision pattern.